till they murder me.
Hello guys, today I'll show you how to backup your router iOS in a TFTP server. So first of all, take any router and a TFTP server, connect them with crossover cable. I know router and TFTP servers are different kind of devices. They should normally be connected using a straight through cable, but in this case it is an exception because when we'll take backup from the TFTP server, our default gateway will be TFTP server. Thus, we need to use crossover cable in this case. So at first, what I did is I set an IP in the router and connected it with the TFTP server of the same range IP, and I have pinged both the devices from both the ends. And when I saw that both of them are communicating with each other, then I started with the process of taking backup. You can enjoy the video with the audio. So now our router is completely back to its life. I'll show you the proofs within the next few seconds. Thanks for watching.